Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about sending get put patch delete request in Bruno. I will be using the APIs provided by website request. I will be showing the details of the website now. I have already opened that website in Chrome. So this is the website. We will be using the APIs from this particular website. So first I am going to hit an API which is support get HTTP method. I am using the single user API. I am selecting this one. So this is the endpoint and this is the response and status code which we will be receiving when we are hitting this API request from Bruno. We have to verify that. So we have to create a new request under the collection which we have created in the last video. So I have already opened Bruno. So this was the collection which we have created in the last video, and this was the post HTTP method supported API. Now I am going to create a new request under this collection. To do that, click on three dots displayed against the collection name. Select new request. So we are going to get details of user. So we are giving a meaningful name. Now we have to copy the endpoint. So this is the endpoint. I am clicking on create. Now we have to hit the API. So we have got a 200 status code and this response. This is similar to what we are seeing in website. So same status code and response we have received in Bruno as well. Now we are going to hit the second request which is a put request. So we are updating the details. So this is the details of that particular API. So I am opening this endpoint in another tab. Now I am going to create another request in this collection. Update user. Have to change get to put and we have to copy the URL correctly. I have created the request. Now I have to pass the payload. I am selecting JSON. Now I am copying the payload from the website, saving and sending the request. So we have got a 200 status code and this response. Same status code and response is displayed in the website as well. Now we are going to use the patch supported API request. So patch HTTP method is used to do a partial update of the resource. So the endpoint is this one. So I am going to create a new request under this collection now. I am changing the HTTP method to patch and giving request name as partial update user. So copying the endpoint, pasting it here, clicking on create. In body tab, we have to select JSON type, copy the payload, pasting it here, saving the request, sending the request. So we have got a 200 status code and same response as we are seeing in the website. Now we are going to hit the last HTTP method which is delete. So this is the endpoint. So I am going to create a new request under this collection. Delete user. Change the HTTP method to delete. Copy the endpoint correctly. So we are going to delete a resource. So this is the endpoint. I am pasting it here. Creating the request. Since we are deleting the request, there is no payload involved. Just hit this request. So we have got a 204 status code. You can verify whether we are seeing the same status code in website as well. So if we check, we can see for the same API we are seeing same status code. So this is how you can hit get put patch delete supported APIs in Bruno. I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.